Hello friends, welcome to our channel Code for Self with mantra of be empowered, let the world empower. So today's topic that we have it GitHub Copilot, and the agenda that we are going to cover is introduction, pros and cons, and demos. So as a part of introduction, first we will know that is what is GitHub Copilot and why we should use it. So as a first point, we can see GitHub Copilot, developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI, is an AI-powered code completion tool that assists developers in writing code. Next point that we can understand is Copilot can understand the context of the code and generate potentially correct code snippets, functions, algorithms, and even entire class or files. It interprets comments, docstrings, or the code itself to make suggestions. So definitely it is going to helpful, very helpful for writing code. It is speeds up and provide a lot of suggestions while writing the code. The third point that in which tool it can be integrated. So we can see it can be integrated to Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and other development environments through extensions, allowing developer to use it as a part of their normal coding workflow. So this is all about the introduction. This is the AI tool that is provided by GitHub. So now let's move to the key benefits of uh, GitHub Pilot. So we can see it's a enhanced code productivity. Copilot offers real-time code suggestions. It can speed up the coding process. Good learning tool. Copilot can serve as a learning tool by suggesting best practices and offering code snippets. It is multilingual, so Copilot supports a wide range of programming languages, making it versatile for different projects. Reduction in errors. With AI-driven suggestions, there are a potential reduction in syntactic and logical errors. So basically at the right of writing code, we have a lot of syntax errors, so that's eliminated and provides in help of writing logical code. We have some potential drawback for uh, that is Copilot. So that we can see that over dependency. So there is a risk that developer might be over dependent on Copilot and have drawn their logical skill. So this is a long term we can see, because if something is comes as ready made as in spoon feeded, then definitely our mindset goes to that, and that's may reduce our logical uh, capability to think about how all about the code is written. Next one is sometimes suggestion may not be relevant. So this is a OpenAI something artificial intelligence code. So sometimes based on our project scenarios, suggestion may not be relevant to us. It is having licensing cost. That is the cost with it. There have been concerned about Copilot suggesting code that it might be copyrighted or not appropriate licensed, okay, and along with the licensing cost. And fourth one, that the key feature, that the key drawback we can see is privacy concern. Some developers are worried about sharing their code with the AI, even if GitHub ensures that data is used responsibly. So there is a privacy concerns also. These are the key potential drawbacks that we can see. Next, we will move to the setup guide that I will cover more in the demo part. So we will see how we will get our Copilot options, this free trial version, and if organization allowed it, then you don't need to worry. You have, but if you are trying by yourself, then there is free trial version. You can add your um, that credit card details and all, and find the 30 days free trial, and then further on I will cover in setup demo. Thank you. So as a demo part, this is my GitHub account. If I go to my profile, I can see there is your GitHub Copilot. If I click here, I'm on same page. So I have already configured the 30 days free trial for GitHub Copilot with add in my credentials. You can also purchase the same. So once all things are done, I will go to the Visual Studio, and I need to add the NuGet package for Copilot. So for that, I will click here. I will manage NuGet package. So I have already installed it. Let me go to install this one. This Copilot version I have installed. However, in few of resources, I can see that they can find this GitHub Copilot, but I could not find it at my end. So I have installed it, this NuGet package, and it works for me. But you can try at your end. So let's suppose I'm on this weather forecast controller. This is the brand new um, uh, API controller, API solution. So if I need to write something, okay. So if let's suppose if I need like public int. So see, this intelligence code automatically come up that shows me that get temperature. So if I click, I can see one method is automatically created without writing any line of code, that is get temperature, and it works. Okay, that's the one part. Second thing, let's suppose I'm just typed something. So it is telling me get summary. That is the next one. So if I again click it, I can see the next method that is coming at get summary. Now let's suppose if I need to write a code, okay. So this is the one example where Copilot is helps to writing auto intelligence code that you can use. Next one is it's read the comments also. So if I need to write a comment, something like create a new method, create a method, okay, to know the eligibility person is eligible for vote for vaccine or not. So if I click here, if I just click enter, I can see this kind of automatically code comes up, and that shows me that eligibility for vaccines. So this kind of, so basically whatever the comment I have written, it's read that comment and create a method for me. So that is the one example that we can see. Next one, let's suppose in a model class, if I need to go and create a class that is called employee class. Okay, I'm just writing employee. Okay, so in employee class, if I come here and see all the related, so this is my employee. Okay, employee ID, I can see employee, this is my constructor, this is my third constructor, and so on. It can be, it is very helpful to writing even sometime based on the requirement. It creates the whole list of the properties of employee. So if I need to write something, let's suppose public int, okay, ID, okay, similarly name, similarly email ID. So these kind of auto intelligence code helps the developer to write the faster code. That's the one example. Third one that I can give is right related with the um, any business logic class. So let's suppose this is the business logic class and you are adding any business logic. So if I add a business logic, that is whether BL business logic, okay, okay. So okay, so I can see all the list of methods comes here as in business logic, just a single click. So whatever the weather forecast, all the methods that comes here with list of properties and all. So these things are basically I will say boilerplate code, and helps the developer to edit it, change it at their end, and come up with a faster solution. Similarly, we can write the unit test cases also as an and that the code provided by Copilot, and it's help um, in for the faster development. Few Copilot, that is the documents that I can share it with you in my description channel that you can go through. These are the list of there are a lot of things that we can use with the help of Copilot. In this video, I'm just covering as a basic one, so you can explore it at your end and get it more beneficial in your projects and in your daily coding. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please like it, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. On this channel, I will keep sharing latest tools, best practices used in IT, so to grow our learning. So please uh, like and subscribe it, as well as also put your comment. Thank you. Thank you so much.